Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to delete a comment on YouTube. So let's go to the YouTube app, and first of all there is two options to delete. The first one, if you want to delete a comment from a channel other than your channel. In that case you can only delete your own comments. So this one, the comment who says beautiful video as always, is my comment, so I can delete it, but I cannot delete any other comment because I'm not the owner or administrator of this channel. To delete my comment I have just to click on the 3 points next to it, and as you can see there is delete option and I can delete it. But for the other comments, if I click on the 3 points, it will give me only the options to share, report, or save. And if you are commenting on your own channel, or you want to manage your own channel, so for example we will go to my videos, and after that go to one popular video and check the comments under it. So for these comments I can delete any one of them, not only my comments. For example, if I click on the 3 points, as you can see there is multiple options that I can choose from. One of them is remove. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next